Hey guys, in this video we going to be checking out the 5 best travel drones which are best in rating, pricing, and customer satisfaction. We have listed them, based on quality, price and features. If you want more information on the pricing mentioned on the product, you should check the links in the description below.
Introducing the Trusty D10. Foldable and portable to take anywhere, with a stunning 2K HD camera and up to 30 minutes flight time. Do tricks like 360 flip and circle fly. Gravity control makes it easy for all experience levels. Set waypoint flight path in the app. Enjoy flying with the Trusty D10.
Life comes at you fast. It's filled with moments. Moments of struggle. Moments of triumph. And moments of everything in between. Eventually, those moments turn into memories. Capture every moment with Holy Stone.
Take the HS-175D anywhere to capture fun memories.
Take off!
With a clear FPV link, you'll never miss a moment. Built with easy modes for beginners and automated flight paths. And a 23-minute flight time. Take it anywhere.
Using the DRC D20. Ready, set, go. Experience the flight in 720p HD. Make any spot your playground. Add fun to your flight with 3D flips. Enjoy 20 minutes of flight time. Set waypoints. Start and land with a touch of a button. Make it fun with D20.
Remote battery cover. Load 2 7-size battery. Reattach the back panel. Take out the shuttle. Deploy the 4 wings of the drone. Push in the direction of the marked arrow and remove the battery. Place the battery into the charger. The indicator light of the charger is off, indicating that it's being charged. Charging is completed when the lights are on. Remove the battery and reattach it to the drone. Alignment and calibration. Switch on the drone and the remote. Push the left stick up and down to match the frequency. Long press for instant calibration. The light of the drone is always on after flashing, and the calibration is successful. On the left rocker, push the blades to rotate, then push the vehicle up for takeoff. App download and a link. Scan the code on the manual. Jump to App Store. Click to download. Turn on the drone switch. Connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. Open the downloaded app. Click on the control panel. Takeoff and loading. Short press for instant takeoff. Short press for instant loading when flying. Basic function demonstration. The drone will go up when pushing the left stick up. Go down when pushing down. Go left when circle to the left. Go right when circle to the right. The drone will go up when pushing the right stick up. Go back when pushing down. Go left when pushing left. Go right when pushing right. Speed switch. Press the speed switch. Low gear, medium gear, high gear. Fine tuning function. In the course of flying, if it is deflected in a certain direction, fine-tune it by pressing in the fine-tune button in opposite direction. Until it doesn't stay any further. Instant rotation. In hovering, press a button for rotation. Auto rotation on drone. Instant click roll. In hovering, press a button for instant click roll. The right stick is pulled in the direction of the roll. The drone will roll in the direction of the wobble. Handless mode. Point your nose in the direction of takeoff. once you are in headless mode. At this point, no matter which way of the nose is pointing, we'll be headed in the direction they were heading when they took off. Emergency stop. In the event of an emergency during flying, press the emergency stop button. The blades of the drone will immediately stop turning, operating with caution.
We hope you like our video. Subscribe to our channel for more new videos and the latest information. Please write your opinion in the comment section.